So here we are in Georgetown, about 30 miles north of Austin, to check out Monument Cafe. And he's been mixing farm-fresh flavors with a taste of Texas since opening this joint in '95.
Get the King Ranch casserole.
There's chicken, and there's cheese, and the peppers. It's really a Texas thing.
So let me get this straight. Where does King Ranch sauce come from?
To feed the ranch hands down at the King Ranch, South Texas, they used to make this.
Okay.
Start with some oil, add our onions, bell pepper, and a little bit of celery. Cook that down.
Okay.
Garlic, sliced mushrooms. And down, we deglaze it a little bit with some white wine. A little salt, black pepper, comino.
Down here, the comino is cumin.
That's what you call it, cumin?
Yeah, comino.
Camino.
Comino, a little chili powder. A little Rotel tomatoes and green chilies.
So we've got canned tomatoes with some like a hatch green chili. Smells like Mexican food.
Flour in.
If you have fat, that's when it starts to work together and build the roux.
Where'd the fat come from?
The fat came from one, we started with oil.
All right.
Now he'll slowly add in a little chicken stock.
And finish off with some whole milk.
So you just sit there and let this reduce a little bit.
How long you reduce that?
Maybe 5-6 minutes.
And then it's gonna settle and...
Yep, tighten it right up.
Viscous?
Yep.
And then we get to eat. That's the best part. And race the cars. That'll be later.
Blow the doors completely off, melt the toast.
So now we're about ready to assemble the casserole and put it in the oven.
I don't know the word casserole exactly works.
Enchilada stack or something?
Cashelada.
Guess.
Looks like a bit of an enchilada.
I know. I like cashelada. I think change it.
Okay.
I'll go and get the Sharpie and change all menus by this afternoon. Okay, so hit it.
Ladle the sauce down.
So the tortillas don't stick and don't dry out.
Exactly.
And whose recipe was this?
Everyone in Texas has a different recipe. Local.
This is a staple?
Yeah. Did you grow up on it?
No, my mom was not a good cook. Sorry, Mom, you know you weren't.
Pulled chicken.
Dark and white.
Yep. Grated Monterey Jack and cheddar cheese. More sauce.
Thanks for using dark meat.
More flavorful.
Oh, yeah.
It's got the most flavor. It's got the most fat. Okay, so 3 layers of it. This is the last one.
Yep.
Is there gonna be any cheese on top of it?
Yep.
We'll just serve that half to Matthew and then that half to me.
Sounds good.
Into the oven, man.
All right.
And then how long will it bake off?
About 45 minutes, 350-degree oven.
Not covered?
Not covered. Here's our King Ranch casserole, serving it with pinto beans and roasted root vegetables.
I like the corner.
You just jumped right in and took the corner.
You got 3 more.
Yeah, there's 3. So those green chilies that come through, creamy, not spicy, which gets misinterpreted a lot of times when we talk about Tex-Mex food. Mm-hmm. Just like Matthew was saying, having that dark meat, I think you did the right balance.
No, real good consistency, man. Not too wet, not too dry.
Shovel down a plate full of that?
Easily.
A good smile.
Cashelada.
Casserole.
That's like Texas comfort food.
Texas comfort food.